I could have kept my normal because it shot 355, so it would only go up 5 at night.
We're going up to the other spawn.
Here, Joe.
A little opener? Yeah, we can.
That's loud.
It's not loud.
Yours just sound like it's empty all the time. Like, dude, you're empty. No, man. They got sound suppressor, sound enhancer.
Ricardo.
I got an alien gun. It makes a whee.
It does sound like it.
Red on this side over here, blue by the chrono station. Hey Tiny, what radio are you on? What channel? 5.
We do like all hands in the middle, we yell at operators.
He's got 1 cube. I'll get it going.
The man has a SIG.
Yes.
This is why we don't have nice things.
Oh, come on, baby. Okay, find out if Nick's ready. Nick ready?
I can't hear you.
I'm gonna go. No, down. Nick's up there. What? Nick's up there.
Hey, Red Team, say hi to the camera.
He's got the horn. I was just trying to get this game going, and then I'm gonna go walk off. I'm ready. Nick's ready? Is that what he said? Yeah, he's ready. Okay. Guys, everyone behind the wall, please. Make sure you
Tuck up.
I'm gonna go off this way.
Yeah, you go up on the right side.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Up, stick together, up, stick together, stick together. Stick together. Go. Jeez, what the hell was that?
Oh, is that the scary one? There's one guy out here that I've...
Oh, hit. Yeah, right in the head.
Bunched up. So imagining we walk off.
I don't know. That was quick, though.
Ref.
We walk off or we just stay back here?
Single elimination, you back up. You can go out with your barrel bags on. It worked well.
I lost one of my gloves.
Tell them we're ready. Oh, wait, we got another one coming. Adam, hurry up! Come on!
Yeah. I wanted to get new ones.
You okay there?
You guys, this side of the tree, please. Try to behind the wall as best you can.
Protect the box.
All right, guys, don't rush up yet.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that would totally work.
Some, get some!
I just told him I came to kick ass and keep up with you.
All out of go. I was watching Army of Darkness last night. Awesome movie. Yeah. You're only leader of 2 things, Jack and shit. Jack left town.
About 10 seconds.
Give me some sugar, baby.
Yep, we're all ready.
Flank right. But don't rush forward, just keep flanking right.
Left 2!
Flank right. Movement! Right over there, behind that bunker.
Okay.
He's bunkered down, he's bunkered. Do you see his head popping up?
Whoa!
Keep your head down. Yeah, you hit. Kegger, where are you, Kegger?
We got guys down there at the cover in the corner.
Watch that bunker over there, guys. Alright, hey, you guys give me some cover.
Alright.
1, 2, 3. Go, 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 go! You missed! What do you see up there?
The guys up on the left, out of my 12. He's in that bunker, he's got the gun. I can't hit him. Out of my 12, the guys over here. He's on the 11.
Hey, Boots! What do you see? What do you got? At my 12, behind that wooden bunker. Your 12? Yep, my 12, straight ahead. You probably won't see him. There's 2. Hey, dude, give me some cover. I'm going over there. Hey, Boots, give me some cover. 3, 2, 1, go.
Zach, there's a guy sitting over there pinging him off. He's sitting and he's waiting.
Yeah, he's waiting.
Red bunker. You can go to the left.
You missed!
Red bunker. Can't you see the goddamn guy?
Nah, there's trees in my way. You missed!
Stay back, dude. He's fine. He's fine. Hey, guy in the middle. Yeah. Yeah, he's got it in here. This sucks. Woo, that did feel good. Red bunker in the middle. Trying to arch up.
Just keep him down.
Middle, in the middle. You got nothing over here?
No, watch between those trees. There's a guy just kind of just popping them through.
Between what trees? I'm not looking much though. I'm not looking too much over there.
Claire, what do you got? Can we move up? Okay. Is he out? How many? How many you got? You got any more over there? How many?
One more.
Stay down.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Here, let me spray a bit.
Hold on. Yo, dude, give me cover. 1, 2, 3. Hey, let's find that tape line.
You want to move the line?
Let's find that tape line.
My ears just
I don't
This
know
is my kind of environment.
Aren't they like back there?
Yeah, we're sleeping around.
Oh, lady, I pay you to stand around.
You're paying me to stand around?
Yeah. You stand around looks pretty.
Okay.
Everyone else,
Just doing my job, sir.
don't shoot your hair off after. Like, you know, you got like a hand of point, so don't act like you shoot it off.
I do not like advancing into a tree line I don't know anything in.
You guys watch that tree line. They got an advantage.
Why is everyone stopping?
It's tape.
Where's he?
Get cover, get cover.
Still get cover. I gotta go with those guys right there.
Go, go, move up if you can, move up if you can. Give him cover, give him cover.
He's running back, move in, move in.
Okay, Boots, talk to me. Are you guys walking the tape line? Copy that, I'll come find you. Got it, got it, got it.
Alright guys, we're down here.
Okay, you see the house?
I don't see the house.
The cover sucks over here. We have to.
You got tied.
You gotta stay low. Are you being sarcastic?
No, no.
He likes you rather be called?
I call him Matthew.
Okay. Ooh, that snuck over. Sorry. Get behind it. Get behind it.
Easy, Brandon.
Bunker, straight ahead.
Get down, get down. You guys gotta get low. You guys have to get low.
That was gonna hurt.
You guys don't mind getting a little dirty? Let's go.
Let's go, you go, kiddo. I'll follow Lexi. Alright.
Give some space.
Hey. I'm looking at the ass of the gods here.
And I feel gassy.
Oh, okay.
What do you see? Keep going if you can. Keep going if you can. Keep going till you get some solid cover.
Oh, God. Back there.
I got your mag.
Mag? Mine? Oh, yeah.
Is it?
Make one big ass train.
I
What?
only got one mag. Oh, my God.
You good? You good?
Hey, Imp,
Yo,
what do you got back there? Anything?
I don't see anything, dude. We have to crawl and find a good solid cover. Do you see a solid cover anywhere?
If we move up any further, we're just going to get annihilated.
I know. We need good solid cover, dude.
The problem is, we can't stand up.
Can you peek your head open? Over?
I got a freaking pine tree in front of me right now. I can't see it right there.
Where's he, Tori?
Saw one guy retreat. Looks like there's one behind a bunker up there.
Yeah.
I can't see much else.
Get some type of visual.
Nobody's moving up.
Tori said that
If you see some solid cover, dude, get behind it and throw some support fire so we can get behind you.
Get you, throw up my position.
All right, let's go.
You dead?
You dead?
You dead? Where's he going, man?
They're shooting down at us, dude. I need a solid cover, dude. I need some type of structure.
That's a left side, so. They're moving up. I see a target.
There's somebody in front of us.
On
Yeah.
my 12.
All right, stay down, dude. I'm not trying to get fresh with you, right? But I'm gonna roll over you.
Alright, yeah.
Hey, check out this tactical cool shit. All right, I'm gonna squeeze over here, right? He's out.
You gotta shoot while you do it, though. That makes it even cooler.
All right, ready?
Yep.
I seen some movement up there. I couldn't tell where he went though.
Check that eyes.
They're shooting this way.
I know. I can... That's okay.
Nothing.
I got nothing over here yet.
I'm afraid if we move up around this pine tree, though, we're gonna get slaughtered.
Yeah, but run to what? I need he's shooting this way. We need solid cover, dude.
Yeah, there ain't nothing.
There's,
We're at the boundary, too. We can't back up.
up.
Yeah.
Ooh, that was close. You missed!
Don't taunt them, man.
Okay, well, we're pinned down here, dude.
Yeah, this is not a good.
This is not a good spot.
You go that way?
No, we gotta get. Hey, let's fall back and find a different position. All right?
Yeah, we're just gonna.
Fall back. Go back towards our base and go to a different position.
Yeah, there's absolutely no cover here.
Sorry.
Yeah, we gotta fall back. Get up, go back to base, and then we're gonna have to find a different route. We have no type of cover over here, and the only bunker that I see, they've got control of right now.
I see. Okay, I see what's going on now.
Yeah, they got a bunker.
Yeah, and they can come out of their.
Yep, that's what I'm saying. So we gotta move.
Okay. All right.
Let's retreat to advance.
All right, guys,
Come on.
fall back.
All right,
Fall back.
go, gun it. Just walk back. Run back.
Run.
Get up and run back.
Go, 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 go.
Go. Go. Go. Go. Go.
Keep moving.
Keep moving. Keep moving. Beth, you got hit? Shoot. No. We had to retreat because
There's
we got
nowhere to
pinned.
move up there.
We can't move. All right, create a line, go up. Some people over here, to my left, just create a line, just walk straight up.
I like this too.
We gotta watch out for blue though.
We need some cover. Okay.
Watch your right.
We got a friendly up ahead of us.
Lundy's down, he's heading toward the spawn. Wait for him. When you guys respond, come back to me. Lundy knows where we're at. What's that? Am I talking to someone on the left?
No, are they coming from
There, yeah. You gotta watch out for some blue up there. I need to find that house. Watch my back, guys. Whit, what do you see, Whit? Can you take him out? You guys, we gotta move.
You go up there.
Yeah, but be careful, they're firing over there. Try to get cover as you're going.
Get to those barrels.
Get hit? Yeah. That didn't sound good at all. That did not sound good. Nope, they're trying to spray and pray right now. It's going through. Just tell Lundin to take you the way he came out. Whit, can you move? We gotta move, man. Can you get to it? I'm coming to you. Hopefully my gun doesn't... Whit? No. You're talking to the bunkers right in front of you, right? Yep.
Hey guys, you got blue people right back.
You sure that's blue? Copy that. Just make sure you watch my 3. Hurry up, I'm taking fire! Shit. Wait, can you get to those barrels? You're out.
Oh, good shot, yeah. Sorry.
Shit. I need help, I need help.
Moving. That guy coming out.
Just took out 2 guys, but he took out 2 of mine. Hurry up. I'm by myself, I'm by myself. Okay, I'm heading home. I'm heading back to home base. I'm in hostile territory. I'm out. Don't go up there. No, don't go up there.
You go that way? Try and flank him?
I say we have to flank that way. Up and over. It's too open.
They're hiding all over the gate. I don't know where it's right here.
Is it blue?
Yeah.
Where's our guys?
They're so close, they had to back them up to the spawn. They're so close. They had to back them up. This is huge.
Watch that tire. That tire's no good. Okay, I'm over here by this black tire. That one that you guys saw on the way in. Get to those berms.
I can't see anything.
Like I say, we sneak up behind them, fucking mad. Get to those berms.
You move up to that thing right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Get to those berms. that blue? Is that blue? Is that blue? Yeah. Yeah, we're making a big, gigantic U-turn. The other place is a death trap, so we're gonna have to circle around and head back from the top of the hill. That's a death trap over there. That's friendly in front of us. Head down. Get to that building up there. Try to get up there.
Careful.
Get to that building. Get to that building. Try to get cover. Go, 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 go.
I need to find a better way to handle this damn thing.
Put it in your back pocket.
In your buckle pocket.
Yeah, I just have mine right here. Look, it doesn't go anywhere.
Thanks for that extra.
Okay, Brandon and Witt's already at that building. If we secure that building, we can catch and see which way they're going and keep them from going down the woods, so our guys can push up that way.
When we were leaving to go to our spawn, they were all swooping that way to the right.
Yeah.
They all think that we're still going to the left, trying
Yep.
to cut us off.
Yep.
So we get surprised by going.
Yeah, we're basically gonna shank them in the booty hole.
Awesome. Hey, wait a minute. See the on your guys' YouTube channel?
What's that?
Your
Oh yeah, yeah, most likely. Yep.
Okay. Hello.
How you doing? All right, let's get to that building up there.
All right, sounds good.
You guys can go without me if I need 6 seconds.
Sure.
Yep, go.
All right, we'll cover you.
I'm coming. I want to play, and I want to play dirty.
All right, so that's Beck. Now, who are you?
Oh, I'm right here.
Ian.
Oh,
I'm the guy who you got sick.
What concrete bunker?
The guy told me. The guy with the beer called me. Told me to call myself Scotty. So.
Sure.
Got there and did it.
Let's try to investigate out.
Watch out. What do you see, Brandon?
Yeah, one guy in the woods. Watch it. See him behind the tree, real tough. Right behind that tree.
I know where he is.
Moving up. Did I rush him?
Try to leave this one.
If you're still back there, book it up here. We got this pretty secure. Out.
Oh. ATP auto?
Yep.
Dude, if you're not fucking...
Make him call it. He called it.
Called it?
Hold it.
Hit.
Oh, shit.
Hit.
Okay, call your hit.
Hey, they're coming. Do not go far. Stay within speaking distance so the medic can get to you. Otherwise, you're going to sit there and get bit by bugs.
Call him out when you see him!
Do not go far. Stay within speaking distance from our house thingy, so the medic doesn't have too far to heal you. Whip, when you make contact, you say where, and you lay down that support fire.
How many got up there?
What? Advice for you: just shoot at anything that moves.
Paddle, buddy.
You know, all you have to
Keep
do
it real.
is just go up and touch
Yep,
them.
that's all
you're doing, okay?
Yep. So I would stay in here till someone's get visual around. Stay in here and stay in cover. Ricochet don't count, right?
Yeah.
So when you see a medic, run out, get him tagged, and come right back in here. Okay, just try not to get shot.
Yeah, I would say cover because once you touch, you're done.
Yep.
Moving right.
Moving right.
Well, 6 o'clock actually. This is gonna get interesting.
Yes, it will. You guys, watch that right flank down there.
We really need to get.
I heard we got a whole bunch
walkie.
on the
I'm gonna
right
go
coming
get
in.
Okay. You guys talk to each other, right? Keep calm.
I'm gonna be your bodyguard. Alright then. We're your personal bodyguard. Oh, awesome. And our battle buddy? Dude, remember what I told you? No stories began like I was hanging back. Yeah. You follow me and you'll have all sorts of sentence stories following you. And you're gonna be like, what? What do you see?
Nothing yet. I copy. Just make sure you let them know contact and you tell the players which way.
Do you? Hey, only 5 can be in the tower, I guess.
Only 5 can be on the top of the tower. Coming down.
If you want to know where they are, they're coming in from the right.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to ask you to step back east side.
Sorry.
And stay away from windows.
Who's got that back? Who's got the back? All right.
I see movement over there.
Contact! Contact! 10 o'clock!
Damn!
Good boy, Whit.
Get some!
Yeah.
We got him in again. Where's that coming? Where's that coming?
What's that?
What about our 6 o'clock? Anybody from 6?
Watch the 6! Watch the 6! Go.
Stay low. Keep low. Keep low. Keep low.
Alright, Brad, stay where you are. We'll bring a medic to you.
Medic, you gotta go.
You might as well put the gun down. You're gonna do a lot of running. It's just gonna make you clumsy.
Okay, go, go now. Go.
Took one! Took one! Help!
Follow that tree line.
Give the medic cover! Give the medic cover! Give the medic cover! Oh, I'm getting in here. That's big.
Medic!
Hey, we need a medic in here!
Medic! Whoa.
Does anybody see anybody?
Yeah.
Hell no.
Where should I shoot?
Holy shit!
You got it.
We need a medic in here. There.
Go. Get him. No.
Coming from there.
Stay down. Holy crap, freaking witch gun, dude. We got a minigun. We ain't gonna lose.
Good boy.
Who's immediate?
Who's immediate? Up there.
You serious? You trying to get me from here? Where are you, buddy? Where are you? Pop your head up. Pop your head up. Come on, let me see it. Medic's dead! The medic is dead!
Don't scream, man.
Medic's dead? Medic is dead?
Well, you're just gonna get straight. Put your hands up, start walking out. Sorry, guys. Drop your pen. Go along the tree line, put your pen up.
Alright, guys, we got like 20 minutes. Don't get shot. Yeah. We got like 20 minutes.
Mother Russia!
This is for Mother Russia. Wait, make sure you keep that fire going, man, but don't get hit.
Don't conserve ammo.
Yeah, don't want to be in here. It's kind of like... Burst fire, guys, burst fire. Let them waste their ammo on us. Just burst fire.
Yeah, no.
Moving right from our six.
With a thunder
Couple of them.
Run into a crowd of them.
Tell him to watch. Somebody upstairs needs to watch their six.
How many people are up
Upstairs, watch
there?
our six.
Wait, how many guys got up there with you? 5?
Yes!
You're good, then. Everybody just pick a side.
12 o'clock. They're moving in from the 12!
Watch the six.
Which way? 12.
Watch the six.
You gotta watch.
Who's behind that bunker?
Who's popping us from this side?
I don't know.
I can't see him. He's back in the bush, and I think he has pretty good camo. The death trap in this thing.
I know. He's behind that bunker.
There's sides behind them.
Stay down.
Hit! Play dead! I'm dead! My hands are up! Hey, do you have another ref jersey I can borrow? So I can take some footage?
Oh, find Eric. He had a jersey on the field.
Hey, do you mind if I like borrow a ref jersey and I could take some footage, or?
You have to talk to, just pull your jersey off. As long as you're not giving people away.
No, I'm not. I'm just gonna stay right here and just come over here. I don't know what fucking.
Talk about a firefight over here.
Yeah, no kidding. It's a death trap in there.
Yeah, just as long as you're not giving it.
No, I'm just gonna stay right here because they know where we are. So.
Because we had someone do this before, but they actually were running up, putting their GoPro right in someone's face.
Oh no! I'm not gonna do that. Trust me.
Yeah, you haven't gone the right way. You're
Yeah,
right.
that's
That's
right.
fine. As long as it's straight.
Fairly easy. Okay.
She's
Fairly
out.
easy to take the trail back that way. Yeah, go right around the back. Yellow.
I'll help ref too. How about that? Damn, some guy snuck it right through the window, man, right on my goggles. Damn.
Hey, where do you got the medic's dead? What's that? Where do you got the medic's dead? Where do you got the medic's dead?
Wait, I'm already dead, so I'm taking footage.
Yeah, I got hit.
Wait, lay down, guys.
What's the situation on top? There's like no communication going on there. We're moving up. To the left.
You're on camera.
Oh, you're a rat?
Yep.
I got my...
Holy crap, Ricochet is like a mug.
Oh, God. We got like 50 people shooting at us.
Players out. Dead man's out, let him out.
Stay low.
All the way back to the front.
Hey man, I'm the ref. Don't shoot the ref. Dead man out. Out, players out. Ooh. Where did it land? Players hit, let him out! He's hit, let him out!
Alright, back up, let's go back to the spawn.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of freaking damn.
That was crazy.
Did we?
You're a rat, man.
Yeah, I got shot out, so I want to get some footage. That's got to be insane on the video.
That is insane.
I run up here, the three of them bang, one pops out of the box, and one kid just pop. I'm like,
Did we get through?
game's still going.
Game's still going.
I'm dead, these two are out, they can't tell you stuff.
So we are gone.
Why don't you go come over here?
All right, guys, you guys got control, so you guys got on video.